Hello everyone and welcome to this JavaScript course. In this video I will introduce you to JavaScript. For this course you need two things, a web browser and a code editor. So I will use Google Chrome, you can use any other browser. So open your browser, right click on it and click on the inspect. Here you will see different tabs. Click on the console. So here let's say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, a plus b is equal to 5. So this is our console window and we can see different things here. So we write console.log. Console means this window, and .log, so we want to show something here. Console.log, welcome to JavaScript. And here you can see welcome to JavaScript is shown here in this console window. Now let's create a folder in our desktop and name it JavaScript. You can create this folder anywhere in your computer that you like. Now open your Visual Studio Code and open that folder in the Visual Studio Code. Now create a new file. I will name it index.html. You can give any name to this file. To write our JavaScript code, we need script text. So if we write console.log and hello world and open this file in our browser, so it will not work. If we inspect it in the console, nothing is here. So in order for it to work, we need script tags, and we will write all of our JavaScript code inside the script tags. So if we write this hello world inside the scripts, and now let's refresh our page, you can see nothing is here, but we can see it here in the console.log because we told JavaScript to show it in the console window. Now let's change it. Welcome to JavaScript. And if I refresh it, you can see welcome to JavaScript. So now we can see whatever we write here and here. So for example, if we write here 2 plus 2, so the result 4 will be shown here in the browser. So you can see 4 here. So that's it for this video now. Thank you and see you in the next video.